See any snow?
Yeah,
I can't believe you're busting out the snow already.
Yeah, you know, it bears mentioning, and that's why I like to bring people attention to a developing situation. Even if it doesn't happen, I would hate for it to occur and then us never have said a word about it. So that's why we're kind of talking about it today. But before we even get to Friday, where we're talking about this four-letter S word, we are looking at a weather aware day today, and that's because of dangerous cold this morning. Temperatures right now ranging anywhere between 15 degrees in Coleman to 20 down in Birmingham, 16 over in Gadsden with 21 in Anniston. And the cold air drapes from Talladega all the way down towards Alexander City. So this cold air has draped over the entire state, and when you add in winds at about 5 miles per hour, that 20 degrees here in Birmingham feels more like 13 outside. Could have a few passing clouds early this morning, turning sun-filled skies by the afternoon. We're looking at noontime temps close to that freezing mark, but it's going to be a cold day today. Here's what I'm tracking for your Tuesday. Coldest air of the season right now. Temperatures have bottomed out this week, though. This is as cold as it's going to get. The warm-up begins tomorrow, but with the warm-up comes a chance for some rain. And then by the end of the week, all of that rain we're going to see up until Friday, well, some of that rain could be changing over into winter weather. And again, I have a very big question mark there. I'm not going out there saying you need to buy the bread and milk just yet, but there is a setup in place that could bear watching as we round out the week. As for right now, we're talking sunshine this morning, but frigid. So as those kiddos head off to the bus stop this morning, make sure they are bundled up. This is very important to not have any exposed skin this morning. Gloves, heavy coats, scarves, all necessary, and try to spend as little time outside as possible early on this Tuesday. This afternoon, as they're dropped off, temperature should be at around 40 degrees. As I'm checking your satellite, I am monitoring some clouds rolling out of East Mississippi. Radar scan is dry at this time, but a very strong low pressure system back to our west is going to really be the contributor to our weather pattern over the next 3 days. Ahead of this low, we're going to have a little Gulf moisture move in. That provides us rain tomorrow. Then cold front slides through. That sweeps through on Thursday, brings us rain by Thursday afternoon into the evening. Then, as this low pressure system slides off to the east, there will be some wraparound moisture on the back end. Where that cold air rushes in, if it overlaps some remaining moisture, we could have some rain changing over to winter weather. Let me show you what I'm talking about on our Futurecast. Wet weather starting as early as 8 to 9 a.m. in northwest Alabama. Occasional rainfall tomorrow. Then Thursday at around 4 a.m. more rain, widespread rain through the day on Thursday, overnight Thursday and into Friday. This is going to occur Friday morning, is where we'll be watching very closely for some of that changeover. And again, this is possible. This is not a guarantee. If that low stays to the north, that cold air stays to the north. If that low drifts to the south just a touch, that cold air is going to move southward just a touch. So where the center point of that low falls is where we will see the potential for rain or possibility of snow, but no accumulations. Temperature is going to be far too warm. Things clear out and cool down dramatically just in time for the weekend. And that is a look at your Storm Track 7-day forecast. Now let's get a look on the roadways with Cameron.